friends, it's Miss Jenifer from Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the C-sharp major cadence. That's right, I'm going to go through and show you how to play both hands, left and right hand, together and separately with all the correct notes and fingering. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching this video. And if you find it helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And always feel free to share my videos with your friends and family. Okay, so we're in the key of C-sharp major. That means everything's sharp. Our three chords that we're going to be playing for this major cadence, they're going to be C-sharp major. We're going to also be playing F-sharp major. And our dominant 7, our 5 chord, is going to be G-sharp 7. So let's take a look at our one chord, C-sharp, with the right hand. We're going to be playing C-sharp, E-sharp, G-sharp with our 1, 3, and 5. Then we're going to move on to F-sharp major, and we are playing that inverted and for the cadence, and it looks like this. C-sharp, F-sharp, A-sharp with our 1, 3, and our 5. And our final chord is going to be G-sharp 7. We're also playing this one inverted with the notes B-sharp, F-sharp, G-sharp with our 1, 4, and 5. So what that looks like when we put it all together, we're going to play our one chord first, C-sharp major, C-sharp, then we're going to get an F-sharp major, back to C-sharp major, then we're going to do G-sharp 7, end on C-sharp major. All right, let's check that out with the left hand. Left hand's playing the same chords. So C-sharp major is played with 5, 3 on the E-sharp, 1. F-sharp major is played with 5, 2, 1 on C-sharp, F-sharp, and A-sharp. Then our G-sharp 7 is played with our 5 on B-sharp, F-sharp with our 2, thumb on G-sharp. Okay, now let's look at them together. So first we're going to start with C-sharp major, F-sharp major, back to C-sharp major, and then our dominant 7, G-sharp major, end on C-sharp major. This is what it looks like hands together. As always, you're going to notice that your right and left hand are not using the exact same fingering, so make sure you're paying attention to that. So here is the C-sharp major full authentic cadence. Looks like this: C-sharp major, F-sharp major, C-sharp major, G-sharp 7, back to C-sharp major. There you go. That's how you play the full authentic cadence with the 1, 4, and 5, 7 chord. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.